Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for converting Anki apkg file to CSV files. In previous video we created Anki apkg file from Wikipedia. I can double click to open it. This is free app, it's apkg viewer, it just show what is inside Anki file, and it's just showing question and answer quickly. You can see there is a data in it, and I want to convert this data into CSV. Also, viewer has an export which allows me to export into different format and doing practically the same. But for this video I will show how to use app for converting from one or multiple apkg into CSV. To download the app, I will go on this website. This is my website. I will leave a link on the site in the description. To find the app, I will click on search and type Anki, and then convert apkg file page. Click on Anki apkg to CSV link and click on download button to download archive to my local computer. I will be recording more videos on Anki apps and other apps, so if you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. And we're waiting until archive will be downloaded from Google Cloud. You can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on it to open, double click on MSI to start installation, and click on more info on this screen. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes on this screen and finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed to my computer, and I have a new shortcut on my desktop. It's Anki apkg to CSV. Now I can close this and this too, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process, and first step I have to select input apkg file. So I'll just click on the select input file button, navigate to my empires to apkg. Good, next step. There are no conversion options yet here on second step. If you think of any options to tweak conversion, please let me know. I will add them to further versions of this app. Right now I'll just click on next step and click on run on final step. And application will ask me for name and location of the file, CSV file. This name and location is okay. I'll just click save, and you can see file has been saved. And let's go and open file. I can double click because I have a CSV viewer. It's another free app that shows what is inside CSV file. You can see there is a question and answer and everything exported, or I can open into with my Excel mobile. Also, you can open CSV file into Excel, and you can see it has a two. This is Excel mobile. I cannot resize columns or everything, but you can see there are 2 columns in it, and all data has been converted into CSV file. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.